welcome back to my channel. Now let me ask you, who out there is obsessed with pancakes? I know I am. I could have them any time of the day. Well, you guys will love this recipe for these strawberry pancakes because thanks to their one secret ingredient, you'll actually be able to change these up to any flavor you please. Okay guys, so you're gonna start off by mixing the wet ingredients in a bowl. 1 egg with some vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and of course some milk. If it's your first time here on my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe. I post unique videos weekly. Now onto the dry ingredients. I'm adding 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of baking soda with 1 full tablespoon of baking powder. Lastly, I'm adding the secret ingredient right here. This, you guys, is a 1/4 cup of strawberry Nesquick. Do you remember this from your childhood? It adds the most pleasant strawberry flavor to these pancakes, and it makes it really fun if you wanted to explore with different flavors like chocolate or banana. Now that the wet and dry ingredients are both mixed up, it's going to make it much easier to incorporate the two without over mixing. So go ahead and add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients, and if the batter is a little thick, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of cold water. If you like, go ahead and add some pink food coloring, and once you have this silky smooth pancake batter consistency, it's time to get that griddle ready. You guys know the drill. Warm up the skillet with a little spray of Nonstick, and I added the batter to a squeeze bottle, which makes it much easier if you're making mini pancakes. On a medium-low heat, cook the pancakes about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Once they're bubbling, flip them over, and there you have it, guys. Some of the most silky smooth, soft, and buttery strawberry pancakes you have ever tried. Now, I don't know what this Nesquick does, but the texture of these pancakes are insane. They literally melt in your mouth. These would be perfect for a birthday breakfast. I'm gonna go ahead and top them with some honey and of course some butter, and there it is. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried them out, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.